About to open this month's Loot Crate. So first thing out the box is this really neat Doctor Strange figurine. Let's see what kind of shirt we got this time. Ah, that's pretty neat. It says, "Become an Obliviator, recruiting now, every half moon of the month, MAC USA." And so this is from Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. I have not gotten to see this movie yet, but I did catch a little bit of it when my family had gone. The Night is Dark Journal and Full of Terrors from Game of Thrones. Oh, and then there's a Big Trouble in Little China Escape from New York crossover. It's kind of wild though. How do you have two Kurt Russells? Then there's the Elder Scrolls loot pin. Not familiar with that, but again, it must fit with the magical theme of this month. And as you can see, the inside of the box is kind of with some potions and things like that. So pretty nice Loot Crate.